Once upon a time, an ancient master said, "An ocean of ink in a single drop, trembling at the tip of my brush, poised over stark blank paper. A whole universe waits for existence." In my class, we will unlock the secrets of the four treasures: the Chinese brush, rice paper, ink, and water. Through simple, dynamic, powerful brushstrokes, no other medium captures the spontaneity and vitality of life. Our whole being is engaged in the process: mind, body, and spirit. In Chinese culture, a flower is never just a flower, nor scenery just a place. Each one has its stories, symbolism, and spirituality. Chinese brush painting is based on the idea that people and nature are one in substance. Every flower, creature, or landscape showcases our best human qualities. Ink and water, grace and strength, contrast and harmony is the essence of Chinese brush painting. We will learn the skills, concepts, and techniques to create fun and interesting compositions. We will also explore the history, philosophy, and the rich and deep culture behind this ancient art form. My name is Mayee Futterman. Come with me into the world of Chinese brush painting.